What is up, MetaVerse update crew? Get ready for a rapid-fire blast of the hottest news in Web3. We're diving into YGG's explosive entry into publishing with their new game, LOL Land. We've also got a mind-blowing crypto investment by Allied Gaming, adding Bitcoin and Ethereum to their treasury. Plus, we're uncovering the next big thing in Web3 gaming with Tapzi, and how it's set to revolutionize plateware. And finally, we'll show you how to stay safe in the wild world of Bitcoin casinos with essential red flags to watch out for. Stick around, you do not want to miss this. Hit that like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. YGG enters publishing with YGG Play and launches LOL Land. YGG is officially making waves by stepping into game publishing with YGG Play. Yield Guild Games, a major player in Web3 gaming communities, has just launched YGG Play, a new division focused on creating casual degen games. These are designed for crypto enthusiasts who love trading, minting, and building communities. Their first creation, LOL Land, launched on the Abstract chain on May 23, 2025, and it's been a massive hit. Over 25,000 players jumped in during its first weekend, and it's already boasting 631,000 monthly active users. LOL Land is a fun, browser-based board game that blends Monopoly-style gameplay with crypto culture. Players navigate boards, collect points, and earn rewards like NFTs and YGG tokens. You can play in free mode for endless fun or premium mode for a shot at the $10 million rewards pool by earning YGG tokens. The game features 9 unique boards, including collaborations with Pudgy Penguins and Pengu Asia, plus a partnership with Play Gigaverse. You can even play as familiar faces like YGG co-founders Gabby Dizon and Owlove Moistness. The community is buzzing, with Luca Nets of Pudgy Penguins calling it a game built by degens for degens. The Pudgy Penguins collaboration, in particular, highlights how Abstract is becoming the go-to chain for turning Web3 IPs into accessible experiences. The launch parties, like the one in Kuala Lumpur, brought fans and leaders together for some real-world fun. This casual degen approach is setting a new trend, but is it enough to secure long-term success? Find out next as we dive into a platform that claims it can turn $100 into $10,000. Best crypto to buy today. Turn $100 into $10,000 with this one move. Is there a crypto that can truly turn $100 into $10,000 with just one smart move? Tapzi might be it. Tapzi is a Web3 gaming platform currently in its presale, offering a potential game changer for early investors. Priced at just 0.0035 per token, it's positioned for significant growth, especially with a projected 30–40% price jump in Stage 2 of its presale. This is a stark contrast to projects like Cardano ADA, which has struggled to gain momentum. Unlike typical plateware games relying on luck, Tapzi uses a skill-to-earn model. Players stake TAPZI tokens in games like chess and checkers, with outcomes determined by skill, not chance. Rewards come directly from opponent stakes, creating a sustainable ecosystem that avoids the common pitfalls of overinflated token emissions seen in many other GameFi projects. Built on Binance Smart Chain, BSC, Tapzi offers fast, cost-efficient transactions and a mobile-first design for easy access. While Cardano's network updates and potential ETF approval create buzz, its price remains relatively stagnant below $1. Tapzi, on the other hand, has a clear roadmap including PvP, NFTs, staking, and DAO governance by mid-2026, aiming to capture a significant share of the projected $800 billion blockchain gaming market by 2035. Analysts are pointing to Tapzi as a potential outperformer against altcoins like ADA, thanks to its sustainable tokenomics and unique gaming focus. The community is actively discussing Tapzi's potential to disrupt the GameFi space, with many seeing its skill-based model as a more sustainable alternative to existing models. Meanwhile, ADA faces ongoing challenges in attracting new use cases despite its scalability efforts. This innovative gaming platform is making big promises, but what about established companies making bold financial moves? Next up, Allied Gaming is betting big on digital assets. Allied Gaming adds Bitcoin and Ethereum to Treasury in bold digital asset bet. Allied Gaming is making a massive statement by adding Bitcoin and Ethereum directly to its corporate treasury. Allied Gaming and Entertainment Inc. saw its stock surge after announcing its first direct investment in cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin and Ethereum. This strategic move is part of AGAE's plan to diversify its balance sheet and push forward with blockchain and real-world asset tokenization initiatives. CEO Yang James Lee views digital assets as both a store of value and a crucial component for the company's digital expansion. This mirrors a broader corporate trend as crypto adoption grows and regulatory landscapes become clearer. While AGAE reported a net loss of $4.8 million for the quarter ending June 30, 2025, and revenue decline, the company ended the quarter with approximately $60 million in cash, providing resources for this strategic pivot. The company is also integrating crypto into its ecosystem and preparing for stablecoin and utility token launches to enhance engagement and liquidity. This bold bet on digital assets positions Allied Gaming at the forefront of integrating traditional entertainment with the future of finance. Investors and analysts are closely watching this move, with AGAE shares trading up significantly following the announcement. The company's conviction in digital assets is clear, and it signals a potential new direction for entertainment companies looking to leverage blockchain technology. While companies like Allied Gaming are embracing crypto, what about the risks involved for everyday users? We'll break down the red flags in Bitcoin casinos next. Casinos that accept Bitcoin: 5 red flags to watch before depositing crypto. Thinking of using Bitcoin for online gambling? You need to know what to look out for before you deposit a single Satoshi. The world of online casinos accepting Bitcoin offers faster transactions and greater anonymity, but it's also a minefield of potential scams. Here are 5 crucial red flags to avoid. First, always check for licensing. Legit casinos display their license from authorities like the MGA or UK Gambling Commission. Unlicensed sites operate without accountability, risking your funds. Second, look for transparency in RTP percentages and game providers. Hidden information or in-house games without third-party testing are major warning signs. Third, be wary of outrageous bonus offers. Get 5 BTC free often comes with impossible wagering requirements or strict payout limits. Fourth, understand KYC, know your customer requirements. While necessary for fraud prevention, excessive or delaying tactics with ID verification can be a scammer's tool. Finally, if you can't find independent, trustworthy reviews from sites like Trustpilot, or if all reviews seem fake or overly positive, steer clear. Bitcoin transactions are irreversible, so extreme caution is paramount. Research thoroughly, read real user experiences, and trust your gut. If something feels off, it probably is. Players are sharing their experiences online, with many warning others to be hypervigilant. The consensus is that, while reliable Bitcoin casinos exist, the prevalence of scams means due diligence is more critical than ever. That wraps up our deep dives for today. But don't go anywhere, because we've got a lightning round recap and a full call to action coming up next. All right, MetaVerse update fam, that was a whirlwind tour of the hottest Web3 news. We saw YGG Play launch LOL Land, making big moves in game publishing. Allied Gaming is betting big by adding Bitcoin and Ethereum to their treasury. Tapzi is aiming for massive returns with its innovative skill-to-earn gaming model. And we learned how to spot those shady Bitcoin casinos to keep your crypto safe. Don't forget to smash that like button if you found this valuable, subscribe to MetaVerse Update for all your Web3 needs, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Let us know in the comments which story you're most excited about, and follow us on all our socials for even more exclusive content. We'll see you in the next one.